Okay, hey parents, a lot of you have asked me about Edmodo and how do we sign on and what does it do. So I'm going to sign into my teacher account and I'm going to show you how exactly it works. You're going to want to sign up for a new account, um, but I already have mine, so I'm going to show you what to do exactly and how you start a new or how you sign into a new group. Very first thing is you want to go to bullet, B-U-L-L-I-T-T, .edmodo.com. The screen that you're going to should be primarily white, a lot like what you see here on my screen. And then you'll go down here and sign up as a parent. And then it'll have you go through the steps and create a username and a password. The username is most likely going to be your email. So you'll watch me type mine in. Okay, and then once you get set up, you'll have to set up your profile, which you can do up through here. You'll go to your profile and you can set that up. You can set up your settings. But the biggest thing is you are going to want to go over to the side where it says groups, and you'll hit this little plus button, and then you'll scroll down to where it says join, and then you will type in the code, which was KQEAUS, and then hit join. And this already says I am a member because I already am. I'm the one who created it. But once you get that, it'll ask you to join, and you'll hit join. And you really don't have to do anything other than that. I'll go ahead and pull up what's already in there. Here is the, as you can see, I've got a couple different classes set up in here. I've got my first period, second period, third, and fifth. Snapshot is the teacher thing. And then I've got this page specified to you all, which is where I will post lesson plans, helpful links. I will also do this for the students as well, but for information that you're going to want and need. You can also reply to me to any of my posts on here at any time, much like Facebook or some type of social networking site. You can respond on that to things. It's still new for me, so I understand that it's new for you, but it's just another resource that we have as a district. So anyways, where my lesson plans, for those of you that are interested in seeing what they are, they will be over here to the side. As you notice right here, this shows me what the code is. So this is what you should be typing in, K. And I don't know if it's case sensitive or not. I just did it as the case that it was in this case it's lowercase. So it's KQEAUS. You click on post, and it'll show you all the posts that I have made, and you can scroll down or up as far as you'd like. I don't have a lot in here as of yet. I will as we go throughout the year. Folders is where I'm going to be keeping information and resources that's pertinent for you as a parent and for your students. Click on lesson plans, and you can see that I've included my lesson plans that are in here. And you can click on any of those at any time. Of course, lesson plans are always subject to change. That has mostly to do with how we do, how far we get as a class. Okay. I'll also have in here bell ringers that we do throughout the week and bell ringer quizzes that I uploaded last week's. And as you can see, this is the bell ringer that they took on Monday. And I've included the answer key for parents so that you can practice these throughout the week with your student. This was the bell ringer they took on Tuesday. And if you'll notice, one thing I do with bell ringers is whatever number 1 and number 2 were that week, that is exactly what they will be all week. It won't be the exact same problem, but it'll be the exact same type of problem. 3 and 4 were division of fractions, so you can see there's consistency throughout the week. So students have the ability to practice this on Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then by Friday ultimately I would like for them to have mastery of that. I don't change it up. It's not a gotcha scheme. It truly is just, hey, let's practice these skills that we should already know or that we've already learned, and by Friday, let's quiz on it. I've told the students that the whole purpose for the bell ringer is, one, to keep the material that they've already learned fresh in their memory throughout the year so that it's not lost. And then also to help boost their grade for those students who have a hard time with unit tests. The bell ringer is designed to help them improve that score. Overall, my typical weekly bell ringers will look very similar, or my bell ringer quizzes will look very similar to the bell ringer in terms of the layout and presentation. This past week, they went into the computer lab and we used Edmodo for the first time, and they took their quiz. It was the exact same type of quiz, exact same type of problems, only it was done on a computer. And here's what it looked like. It was the exact same format as had it been all week. So this is what your student took. And there's the answer key. I hope that this is helpful. Please feel free to give me any feedback. Thanks. I look forward to hearing from you, or seeing you actually this week on Thursday. Bye-bye.